I just recorded another video about how to put your car Tesla X 2022 in neutral mode, but there's eventually special mode for car wash, which I didn't know, and I strongly recommend to use for car washes because it will close your doors, the windshield will not turn off, and of course it will push your car in neutral mode, so those wheels can pull your car and you can go through the car wash without any problems, and not you will not be like me who doesn't know how to do it, because I pulled to the car wash and I didn't know how to put it in neutral. I didn't know about existence of this car wash feature, and yeah, so I just drove it through and the experience was not fun. So how can you do it? So I'll show you. So this is how you will turn on your car wash mode. You just click on this car icon, and then you click on service, and there you see that there's like a lot of things. Probably I need to read owner's manual. Towing, actually those are nice things. Jack mode, wipe service. So basically, but you need car wash, and it says car wash mode will exist as the wheel speed exceed blah, blah, blah. So basically it enables car wash, and when you start driving and exceeds 10 miles per hour, it will exit the car wash, so the car will know that you are back to normal, so you exited the car wash. Yeah,